The Niagara Falls State Park Transformation Initiative implemented more than 16 full-scale interconnected projects across 400-plus acres while continuing to welcome visitors. Working with the New York State Office of Parks, Recreation, and Historic Preservation, Lin International orchestrated the effort to create a thriving picture of sustainability, state-of-the-art innovation, and ADA accessibility. Spanning 5 years, the project touched nearly every aspect of the park to sculpt an intimate view of the fall's majestic beauty. Attractions, infrastructure, facilities, circulation routes, and all behind-the-scenes systems were upgraded. The team introduced advanced technology to triumph over icy environmental challenges. As a true measure of success, New York State added assignments, funding, and timelines to maximize the revitalization, increasing the budget from $25 million to $65 million. With annual visitors now exceeding 9.5 million, the transformation is a boon to the regional economy. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize Niagara Falls State Park Transformation Initiative as a 2021 OCEA Honor Award.